Good afternoon, everybody. And I can see that we have a very good audience here. Everybody is listening very patiently on all the aspects of electromagnetic radiation effect. And I think, first of all, I would like to thank COAI and OSPI, for arranging a discussion on a very important topic on health. I think all of us, especially the common people, have a lot of queries on this topic, and they will be benefited from this discussion. Now, being an obstetrician and gynecologist, I would like to concentrate more on pregnancy and baby's health and mother. Since all my friends and colleagues, they have spoken on different aspects, let me concentrate on the pregnancy part and the motherhood. Pregnancy is very precious. We all want, healthy babies. We want a healthy society, and we want healthy mothers because mothers are the pillars of all homes. So, lot of research has been done whether all these gadgets, because the last few decades we have seen that in India also we are using many electrical gadgets like, microwaves and television, of course, everybody is using, and cell phones, then pagers, many different electrical gadgets. Now, these days, all the ladies, all the educated ladies, they are very career-oriented as well. Maybe, on one hand, one pregnant lady is getting ready for office. She is talking on phone. She is cooking something on the microwave. At the same time, she is watching her favorite serial. So she is surrounded by all the energy, electromagnetic energy. But, what the best part is, all the scientific data and research done till date, all the best of organization in US, Europe, everywhere, there's no evidence available where they're saying that, these low levels of electromagnetic radiation can affect the pregnant lady and the fetus inside and the mother. So this is the best thing because, we can't do without our phones, we can't do without the microwave, we can't do without the television. So at least we have the best news from the Research Association, and thankfully they're continuing to do research because all these gadgets we are using for a few years, not many years. So they're still continuing to do their research. Now, we are, surrounded by half-cooked things like my colleague mentioned, and we are surrounded by myths like, in early pregnancy, the first trimester, especially the first 12 weeks, we like to be extremely cautious where the organogenesis happens, the baby's organs are developing. At that moment, we don't want anything, any, unsafe environment, any extra medicine or any radiation, nothing. So all the pregnant ladies especially, they ask, can we use cell phones? Can we use, these days we do ultrasound safely ultrasonography is being done safely in first trimester because they are safe ultrasonic waves. They are not really ionizing radiation. Only thing we can't do in pregnant ladies is ionizing radiation, that is X-rays and MRIs with contrast. Even MRIs are used in pregnant ladies, the simple MRI, without using contrast. So if we can use up to that level, I think using a cell phone is a very simple thing for a pregnant lady. So thankfully and hopefully all the research associations, they are going to produce more data available for health to have a safer environment. Thank you very much.